morning, students. Today we discuss about speed in lesson motion and time. What is meant by speed? What is meant by speed? The distance travelled by a body or travelled by a car or any object in a given time interval. The distance travelled by a body or car or vehicle or any object in a given time, in a time interval, it is called speed. Speed equal to distance traveled by a body by time interval, by time taken. So unit of distance speed. Unit of distance in SI or MK system meter. But unit of time in any system is second. The least unit of second is unit of time is second. So unit of speed is meter per second in SI or MK system. Meter per second in SI units or SI system. Okay, speed divided by letter V equal to meter per second in SI system. V equal to centimeter per second in CGS system. So speed is the distance traveled by a body in a time interval. It is called speed. We know speedometers in all vehicles, in bikes and in cars. In cars, a meter is called odometer car. In bikes, the meter is called speedometer. Speedometer means the distance traveled by body in a given time, 60 meters or 50 meters in hours. The distance is in hours in the bikes or in cars. Speed, page number, take all of you, take your textbooks, page number 39. Speed, many objects in the world around us moving. Okay, to compare how fast they are moving, we need to know their speed. Speed is a distance traveled by a body in a time interval. So usually the odometer in vehicles shows odometer in vehicles and in cars. The odometer in vehicles shows the distance traveled in kilometers, and the distance traveled in kilometers in the bikes. That is a speedometer. The speedometer of the speed of journey in a kilometer per hour. Speedometer is in a vehicle, is in bikes, and odometer is in cars. Speedometer and odometer. Look this diagram. This is the speed. Both are speedometers. Which one is faster? The second one is faster. The needle of the speedometer is almost 200 kilometers. Here the speedometer just 30 kilometers per hour. Here 200 kilometers per hour. This speedometer. Okay. Okay, students, do the following activity. So travel in a motor vehicle with your father to market or any other place or any shop. Okay, and observe the changes in speedometer, and you observe the changes in speedometer in our bikes. In our bikes, observe the needle of the speedometer in our bike. Now exact time when you started from the home. Now note the exact time when you started from home, and observe the speedometer reading carefully, and note it that reading of speedometer and time interval. Reading of speedometer and time interval. Okay, students, this is look at this table. Look at this table. Speed 0. So 9 to 10 a.m. 20 meter speed 9:15 a.m. So 15 minutes journey. Time taken by vehicle is 15 minutes. Distance the speed 20, 30, 9:20. So 9:20 here. Does the speed of the vehicle remain the same throughout the journey? So no, the speed of the vehicle not uniform throughout the journey. Okay, if not, what we can know about the speed of the vehicle during the journey? During the journey, speed of vehicle 30 minutes. The 30 minutes, the speed of vehicles reading meter reading is 30 hours. Sorry, 30 meters. 9:30 a.m. So take time taken by that vehicle is 30 minutes. So look at that box. Thus we can define the speed of an object, the distance traveled by unit time. The distance traveled by a body, any object in unit time, it is called speed. Unit of speed is meter per second in SI system or in MKS system. Unit of speed is centimeter per second in CGS system. Centimeter per second in CGS system. Okay. Here 1 kilometer per hour equal to 1 kilometer per hour equal to 18 by 5. Sorry, 5 by 18 meter per second. That means 1 kilometer means 1000 meters. 1 kilometer means 1000 meters per hours. 60 minutes. Hours can be 60 minutes. Each minute 60 seconds. 60 into 60. 60 into 60. That equal to 1000 by 6 6 36 0 0. 2 zeros cancel. So 10 by 36. 2 table, second table. 18 times. In 10 no, 5 times. That equal to 5 by 80 meter per second. 1 kilometer per hour. 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 80 meter per second. Okay. Look at this table. Time reading of distance covered by any vehicle. 0 minute 0 kilometers. 0 minute 0 kilometers. 10 minutes 15 kilometers. 20 minutes 25 kilometers. The body distance covered by that body 25 kilometers. 30 minutes 38 kilometers. And finally 40 minutes the body, the car, the vehicle travel by the distance 60 kilometers. This is a uniform motion or non-uniform motion? This is a non-uniform motion. The unequal distance covered by a body. In equal intervals of time. That is 10 minutes in every events. That is the difference in time is 10 minutes. The speed, the distance covered by a body is changes. Equal, unequal distance covered by a body in equal intervals of time. It is in non-uniform motion. It is in non-uniform motion. Okay, from the table we notice that the distance covered unequal distances in equal interval of time. It is a non-uniform motion. So find the speed of car. Speed of car. Distance by time. Distance by time. Speed of car. Speed. Speed of car. First speed of car. Speed of car equal to distance by time. Distance by time. Distance by time. That equal to time. Time equal to 40 minutes. Finally 40 minutes. 40 minutes. 40 minutes. This 40 minutes time we converted into hours. Converted into hours. Hours. 1 minute contains 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Sorry. The 40 minutes is converted into hours. That equal to 40 by 60. 40 by 60. That equal to 2 by 3 hours. That equal to 2 by 3 hours. Time taken by car equal to 2 by 3 hours. 40 minutes or 2 by 3 hours. Speed of the car. Distance by time. Distance by time. Speed. Now speed. Speed equal to distance by time. Here in this table, distance 60 kilometers. 60 kilometers by time taken by the body. Finally, time taken by the body in hours. 2 by 3 hours. We change the 40 minutes into hours. That is the 40 minutes is equal to 2 by 3 hours. So 60 by 2 by 3. 60 by 2 by 3. That equal to 60 into 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 30 times. That equal to 3 3s are. That equal to 3 3s are 90. 9 3 3s are 9 or 90. 90 meters per. 90 kilometers per. 90 kilometers per hour. 90 kilometers per hour. That is the distance, speed of the car. Total distance traveled by a car 60 kilometers. Total time taken by a car 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Time 40 minutes. We convert the 40 minutes into hours. 40 minutes into hours. That equal to 40 by 60. That equal to 40 by 60. 2 by 3 hours. 40 minutes converted into 2 by 3 hours. Now speed. The formula of speed is distance traveled by car. Distance traveled by a car divided by time. Time taken by a car. Distance traveled by a car 60. Here 60 kilometers. So time taken by a car 2 by 3 hours. 2 by 3 hours. Kilometer per hours. 60 by 2 by 3 kilometers. That equals 60 into 3 by 2. 30 times. 3 30s are 90. 90 kilometers per hour. 90 kilometers per hour. Now the speed of car is 90 kilometers per hour. The car is unequal distances, traveled by unequal distances in equal intervals of time. So the car is in the non-uniform motion. Finally the speed of car is 90 kilometers per hour. 90 kilometers per hour. 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meters per second. 5 by 18 meters per second.